Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best patio cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best patio cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Wet and Forget 800,003 Stain Remover. Are you looking for a patio cleaner that can work for moss, algae, mildew, and mold? I can confidently tell you to try the stain remover from Wet and Forget, as it is a tested and proven product. As I found out from my test, this is a product that you can use to clean all surfaces. That is all possible because it doesn't contain bleach or phosphates, and it is non-acidic and biodegradable. I am about to confirm this, but the manufacturer states that it keeps your patio clean for up to 12 months. Another thing that I found to be superb about this cleaner is the huge container it comes in. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ultima Plus XP Patio Cleaner. The Ultima Plus XP Moss, Mold and Algae Killer is very effective and will definitely get the job done, and is our top recommended patio cleaner. Recommended for outdoor use, the highly concentrated cleaner will get rid of all the unwanted algae, moss, mold, and even kill moss. With a 5-liter container covering an area of 400 square meters, you can get a minimum of 50 liters and a maximum of 90 liters when mixed at the weakest recommended ratio. Depending on the size of the area to be administered, dilute according to directions. The idea is that the higher the concentration, the more effective the solution is. The diluting ratio is 1:9, which ensures that you can cover the right areas. The solutions contain no acids or bleach but still remains effective in exterminating extra growth. It is biodegradable, and once it has dried, you can let your family play out on the patio. It is recommended that you use gloves if you have very sensitive skin, but we would personally advise you wear gloves anyway. At number 3, we have the Wet and Forget Moss, Mold, Lichen and Algae Remover. The Wet and Forget Moss, Mold, Lichen and Algae Remover needs no hard work and is very similar to our best pick, and is a great alternative. All you have to do is dilute 1 part concentrate with 5 parts water, spray it and forget about it. On days that you are away from the property, this is especially useful. Why? This is because the detergent embeds itself on the patio and can be reactivated whenever it rains. This slow method of killing off mold and algae is simple and attainable. The patio cleaner is not acidic or caustic. You will also find no traces of bleach, meaning that you don't have to breathe in toxic fumes or worry about the environment and wildlife. It is biodegradable and has a pH of 7, which is stable enough not to harm your skin or surface. The 5-liter container is able to treat around 100 to 300 square meters. This all depends on the surface that you are dealing with. This cleaner is not a magic wand that can take problems away in an instant. It may take some time if the stains are deeply ingrained. The detergent is not only tied down to patios, but you can also use it anywhere, which means it can be used on paths, patios, wooden decking, garden furniture, planters, caravans. At number 2, we have the Scots FBA 51501 Concentrate Plus Oxy Clean Outdoor Cleaner. Good things should not come in small bottles, and that is why Scots has the FBA 51501 Plus Oxy Clean Outdoor Cleaner. I can confidently tell you that this product is like the number 6 product, but it needs to be diluted. I found it to be easy to use and effective in lifting the dirt off the floors. It also got rid of algae, mildew, and mold from my vinyl surface. It is also recommended for all other floors. And you won't find any phosphate or chlorine bleach in this product. That only means you can use it around fabrics, lawns, and plants. And finally, at number 1, We have the Scots Plus XP Clean Outdoor Cleaner. I was about to give up when searching for natural stone cleaner until I came across the Scots Plus XP Clean Outdoor Cleaner. The model lifts dirt for most surfaces, including wood, vinyl, stone, brick, cement, and furniture. One thing I can tell you is that this can be the only product you would ever need to remove contaminants on your surfaces. And I found it to be effective when cleaning algae, mildew, and mold from my patio. I was excited to learn that I can clean around plants, fabrics, and lawns and have peace of mind knowing they won't be affected. That means you can be sure that the product doesn't contain phosphates or chlorine bleach. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.